In this video, we're going to learn about the location targeting best practice. So in Google Ad, despite of targeting a certain location, you may get traffic from other locations too. Okay. So in this video, we're going to learn how to reduce, how to stop that fraud traffic coming from other locations. So here is targeted locations. But if you change it to matched locations, you can get all the traffic that coming from other locations. Hi guys, I'm Smruti from Solutions 8, and in this video we're going to learn about the location targeting best practices. Okay, so in Google Ad, despite of targeting a certain location, you may get traffic from other locations too. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to reduce, how to stop that fraud traffic coming from other locations. So in Google Ad, you need to first of all, you can check if you are getting traffic from other locations or not by going to here, locations. So here you will get all the targeted locations using inside campaigns. Okay, so here is targeted locations, but if you change it to matched locations, you can get all the traffic that coming from other locations. Okay, so since we are using some settings and excluded the locations, all the locations, we are not getting any single traffic from other locations. So we will learn what are those settings and how to apply exclusions. Okay, so to change your setting, you can go to your campaigns. Let's suppose this campaign, PMax campaign. Then you can go to settings. Then you need to go here locations. Okay, then inside locations, go to here location options, and by default it will select this option. So we need to change it to this option. This option means it says presence or interest, people in, regularly in, or who have shown interest in your targeted locations are eligible to see ads. Okay, so this option means whether those people are not in your location, if they have shown interest in your targeted location, they can see your ads. So we are targeting United States, and in United States, lot of people have shown interest. Lot of people from several regions, several countries have shown interest. So if I choose this option, uh, I will end up targeting all the locations despite of United States. Okay, so this is kind of very, you know, very dangerous situation, I would say. So to reduce those traffic, to reduce those, other locations traffic, you need to select presence, people in, or regularly in your targeted locations. Okay, uh, it will reduce almost all the traffic coming from other locations, but sometime some traffic, sometime you can even see some mass traffic inside that location. So to remove those, even you need to exclude other locations, other countries to target exclusions. Okay, to add those countries to exclusion, you need to prepare your no you need to prepare all the countries list. You can get all the countries list, all the countries name by simply googling, and you can save, you can add to a spreadsheet, and here remove your targeted location, and you can copy all the locations. Then you can go to here, in exclusions, go to advanced search, and you can go to here, add locations in bulk, and paste all the locations. Okay, you can then search.
This is not a glitch. I'm interrupting the video you're watching because I need to remind you that I'm always looking for people to join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you want to work with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, please go to so8.com/apply. Speaking of working with the best Google Ads agency on the planet, if you're having trouble with Google Ads and you want professional help, that's what we do. You can go to so8.com, that's SOL8.com, to apply for your free, no obligation action plan. And if I've given you any level of value at all, maybe think about giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. That's how we juice the YouTube algorithm so they actually know that I know what I'm talking about. If you have questions, comments, concerns, or confessions, hit me below in the comments. And now, back to your regularly scheduled program.
So here it will detect all the locations. uh, Here you need to check, double check whether all locations are applied or not. Yeah, uh, like sometime it skip some locations. Yeah, it add some other locations, so you need to make sure and remove those other locations here. Then simply you can click here, exclude all, to apply exclusion. So we have already applied exclusion, and we have already excluded all the countries. So I'm going to cancel it. After adding, you can save this to apply the exclusions. So in this way you can reduce all the traffic coming from other locations. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this, please thumbs up, and please share this video with your friend, family, colleague, wherever you can. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to watch these kind of valuable tutorial. And that's it for today, and see you again later. Thank you. Bye bye.
So in the affinity is a permanent fixture of your personality. That's what affinity means. If you're a yoga instructor, yoga is your affinity. You're not in the market for yoga. That's what you do. That's who Google thinks you are. That's who you are as a person.